Hi guys, it's me, Ramay. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I got another parcel from G Market. So now let's the unboxing start. So let's open it. It's not been opening. Anyway, let's start from here. So in Korea these days, it's really becoming cold. So I just order an shirt and coat. I think this is my coat. Even I order a Geek shirt, but later on that, and then I received another surprise parcel from my wife. Inside it's a very beautiful long coat from my wife. Anyways, this one I will not do unboxing right now. Later when my wife will come, I will ask her to do an unboxing. Yeah, it's my coat. Awesome. Now let me check out the coat. Is there any inside? Nothing inside. I mean, I don't know what the hell it's saying. Okay, let me see. It's saying TLC. Anyways, let me read something like, what's it written? It's saying Kyunghan Pan Pum Sin Hong. I don't know what it's reading. So yeah, it's here is my code. It's double XL. I hope it will be fit to me because Korean double XL are like XL. I mean, Korean double XL really like XL, USA XL, or I mean really L. To be honest with you, don't ever trust their size. Yeah, it's looking really awesome. Yeah, to be honest with you, I'm really impressed with the quality. So the weather is becoming right now quite cold. I mean, it's much better you have a jacket or some kind of warm coat before you get some kind of flu. If you don't know, I'm just basically drinking. I have already eaten my meal. I'm just drinking some kind of wild berry tea here. Can you see? Anyways, you can't see. So subscribe to my channel. For now, this is only the video which I'm making. Yeah, Tesla, homie. It's homie, man. Can you see homie? Bye.